It seems pretty chaotic behind us, but this is the ultimate thrifting experience. I am here with Doug from Goodwill Industries of Alberta. Doug, where are we right now?
We are at the amazing Edmonton Impact Center, and honestly, this is just a different way to shop.
Yes.
Instead of a traditional retail setting, we're giving items a second chance to sell, and it's right here where people have the chance to shop by the pound, and it is chaos.
It is chaos, but I think every good thrifting day starts chaotic, and then you come home with so many amazing finds. Who can shop here? Can everybody come?
Yeah, anybody who's 16 years of age and older. The reason 16 years of age is because of safety concerns with these big giant bins that are getting rolled out every now and then. Also, people are here all day shopping. They're finding different things, they're supporting their community, and they're most importantly reusing product and keeping it out of our landfills.
Absolutely, yeah. We love the sustainable shopping method here, especially these days right now. Are there any rules to shopping here besides being 16 and over?
Honestly, just the chaos is plentiful already.
Yeah.
It's just being respectful of everybody that comes in. We actually have people that have to stand behind yellow lines, and then you can dig in once the worker gives the go-ahead.
Okay.
And really, those are the only rules.
Yeah, but and also respect personal space too. And respect personal space.
No Gordie Howe elbows.
That's right. What do you have in your hand? It seems like there's a special occasion coming up.
I do. So we have Goodwill Week actually upcoming and actually happening right now in the city of Edmonton and right across Alberta. And the Mayor, Andrew Knack, actually proclaimed this week Goodwill Week here in the city of Edmonton. So we're really proud of that. Goodwill Week is all about supporting not only our not-for-profit, but the mission side of our not-for-profit, where we're helping support those with disabilities or barriers to find meaningful employment.
What is the impact of Goodwill Week?
The impact is honestly the programming that we do here at Goodwill, and it's working with employers and showcasing those stories that happen to specific people, and we'll meet one of those people later on.
Excellent. Doug, always so fun to talk to you here amongst the chaos. Is fantastic. If you want to find out more about the Impact Center or any of the stories Doug talks about, you can head to the website below on your screen. We're taking you behind the scenes at the Goodwill Impact Center, and I have a very special guest, everybody. This is Jay. He went through the Career Connections program here at Goodwill. Hi, Jay. How are you?
Oh, doing good. You?
Good. Thank you so much for asking. Tell us and take us back to when you first started with Goodwill.
I started at the Goodwill program, and I've learned through all my experiences, right? And then I decided that I would like to volunteer, since I always like volunteering, right? So I decided to ask my navigator if I could volunteer at a Goodwill location, and currently the one that was available was the Stony Plain Wynn Road one. I actually volunteered there for about 10 weeks, and on the 11th week, Dana called me into the office and said, we have a position available in the donation center, and we would like to do a trial run with you. And then after that, I still worked my 2 weeks there, Monday and Tuesday at the time. And then on the second week of the last Tuesday, Dana called me in, and then they said that you're hired. And then from there, I've pretty much been working in the donation center ever since.
For somebody who is thinking about coming to the Career Connections program at Goodwill, or wanting to give up their time here or work here, what is your advice to them?
Always be confident in no matter what you do, and always press forward, and don't let people tell you otherwise. Because in my life, I've always had people that told me that I couldn't do it despite my height. So I basically just ignored them and always pushed forward. And basically I achieved a lot of things. And if I haven't joined the Goodwill program and then decided to start volunteering that day, then I would have not met so many great people like you and everyone else.
Oh, hey, I feel like I'm in good company. Forget the haters. Jay, thank you very much for joining us this morning. Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you too. Yep.
Nice to meet you. If you want to learn more about the Career Connections program here at Goodwill or any of their mission statements, you can head to the website below. We're learning about sustainable style, and if you want to be as stylish as me or as Doug, there you go, show it off, then stay tuned. We have so much to tell you about the program here at Goodwill Industries of Alberta. Hi, Doug.
Hi.
Okay, so what am I wearing here?
So you're wearing a beautiful upcycled apron. It can be used for gardening, work, cooking. you name it, and it's all made right here at the Impact Center through donated jean items. So jean jackets, jean pants, and it's now upcycled into a brand new product for you.
And I have to say, I do own one of these, and these are perfect for gardening because you can put like your phone here, your garden shears if you need to, like everything it holds is such good quality. So where are we right now? Who's working behind us?
Yes, so we're at the Goodwill at Work program, and these products are made by Repurposed by GW. And like I said, we have the denim bag, we have the apron, and they're all made by people with disabilities here at this particular program. Last year alone, they made over 1,000 bags and aprons that were sold to the general public, which is great because it's keeping the items out of the landfill, the denim product out of the landfill, and it's creating employment opportunities right here in the city.
Where can I get this, by the way?
Great question. You can actually purchase them in our retail stores, and we're also at different farmers markets throughout the entire city. But it's, like I said, it's just trying to find that fashion aspect and finding different ways to upcycle different items. Honestly, denim can be used for so many different products, from earrings, we've created lampshades, obviously the aprons, the bags, and we're just trying to find more ways to repurpose durable items instead of sending it off to a place where we don't want to send it off to.
Yeah, for sure. I'm always seeing smiles behind the scenes here of people who are making the bags and the aprons. Can you tell me about the impact of giving them a purpose and giving them like this job that they can create something like tangible and physical that they can give to the public?
Well, this department alone has over 30 people right here in Edmonton. So like finding that purpose to give back to the community and have that person find their opportunity to participate in community different initiatives like this is super important.
Yeah, Doug, thank you so much for showing us around the Impact Center today. If you want more information about my amazing apron or his bag or any of the products here, you of course can head to the website below.